something in your subconscious is very, very, very awkward. You have to find this inner awkward, this inner. This inner awkward, like, what is it? I mean, go find it and then perform your inner awkward, like, what is it? What is your inner awkward? Your inner awkward is very useful. It is very useful for a performance. I think you should make some people a little bit uncomfortable. I mean, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just make some people uncomfortable. You just gotta do it. You know, you just gotta make people uncomfortable. Find your inner awkward. Find it now. Find your